That is a receptor for touch. Okay. Para mabilis. Class, so yan ang unang slide natin. Then, i-load nila. Okay, class, next slide is Pacinian corpuscle. That is a receptor for pressure. Pressure receptor. Okay, so we only have 2 slides in receptors. The rest of the slides will be for epithelium. So you're going to focus on the lining epithelium lang ng organ. Hindi mo na yung parts. Yung mucosa lang, yung lining epithelium. So we'll start with the simple squamous epithelium. You have a slide of the kidney, and you go on the cortex, where you can see the glomerulus. And so this is the glomerulus class, okay? Then you focus on the parietal layer of the Bowman's capsule, this area here, that is lined by simple squamous epithelium. So an example of your simple squamous is the parietal layer of Bowman's capsule. Ito yung class, simple squamous. Yeah. Next slide is your simple cuboidal. So you have the slide of the thyroid gland, and you focus on the thyroid follicles. You will notice that this is made up of simple cuboidal, these lining cells. These are your thyroid follicle. Simple cuboidal epithelium. So yun ang i-focus ng class. Yan. Next slide is simple columnar. You have the slide of the gallbladder. For your simple columnar epithelium, you have 4 layers there of the gallbladder, but you just focus on the mucosa. So this is the mucosa class. That is the lining epithelium. Simple columnar epithelium. Ito lang class. Yan. Yan. Okay. Simple columnar epithelium. Then we also have your simple columnar ciliated. You have there your fallopian tube or oviducts. So this is the fallopian tube or oviduct. So you have the mucosa. This is the muscularis and the serosa. Okay, Okay, class, you focus on the epithelium of the fallopian tube, class. This is lined by two types of cells. Simple columnar ciliated and simple columnar non-ciliated epithelium or PEG cells. So that's an example of your simple columnar ciliated epithelium. We're going to pseudostratified. They have the slide with the trachea. Now, for our pseudostratified ciliated, yung trachea class, yung trachea, ang organ natin sa pseudostratified ciliated. Tapos, stratified squamous non-cornified. This is your esophagus. Yung focus class dito sa lining epithelium. Dito lang, ha? So, the lining epithelium, stratified squamous non-cornified epithelium, organ, esophagus. For the stratified squamous keratinized, that's skin. Skin naman class, yung stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. For our transitional, this is the ureter class, ureter. Ureter. Transitional. So in other slide boxes, you can have the urinary bladder. That's also transitional epithelium. No, urinary bladder, ureter. Then for our stratified squamous keratinized skin, and for your non-keratinized esophagus. Okay, class, so borrow microscopes and try to finish all these slides. Have to go. Next week, practical ulit tayo. Okay?